care about the horse.
Morning, fish.
You like this food, right?
Ooh. Good morning. Welcome to our day in the life. I have a lot of new subscribers who may not know who Greg is. This is Greg. This is my boyfriend, my business partner, my life partner. We've been dating for 4 years, 5 years, around there. So we're gonna show you our day.
Thanks for having me, guys.
Oh, that's nice. As per usual, I'm starting my day with my Nespresso black coffee, and I'm gonna make my everyday breakfast, my avocado toast with lox and Faye yogurt with blueberries. So I pretty much post my breakfast on Instagram every day, and I always get people saying like, it looks great, but like, why do you eat the same thing every day? Why do you eat the same thing every day? I don't really have time to like think of a new recipe every day. I like it, so I keep eating it. If I get bored of it, maybe I'll switch things up, but like, it makes me feel good. I like the taste, so I'm gonna stick with it. I have a day off from the gym today, which I'm so excited for. I love days off now. When I was at the beginning of my fitness journey, I used to hate taking days off because I thought I would ruin my progress and I just wanted to keep going. Now I love them because we're so busy. We have so much work stuff going on, so many fun projects for you guys. Plus I'm trying to be fit, so I do love a day off. I'm just gonna have a chat with you right now because why not? Pretty soon I'm gonna be starting a cut. We have a really big project coming that we have to shoot for, and obviously I want to feel good on the shoot. I want to feel confident. I'm confident right now. I just want to cut down a little bit. So I think I'm gonna do kind of like, you know, let you guys in on my cut, the plan for my cut, the diet, the working out. Pretty busy day today. We are having a Labor Day sale. Oh yeah, it's Labor Day. Happy Labor Day. Probably watching this later, but still. We are having a Labor Day sale today from RA Fitness, so that means a lot of content's going up, a lot of behind the scene work going on, so that's happening today. Tomorrow we move into our new office for Bloom Subs. So excited. I've already ordered a giant neon sign that says Bloom. I'm so excited to put that up. I'm gonna get some like removable wallpaper with leaves on it, and of course I had to get some cool pens. There's nothing better than like a new set of pens. Why is that? It's gonna be a good day. I want to tell you guys kind of like how I start my day. I went upstairs and kind of like got ready because I was filming. I wanted to like, you know, not look like a pile of trash for you guys. As I'm getting ready in the morning, I always put on a video or audiobook or podcast that I find motivating. So this morning, can you see him? I was watching Ryan Serhant. I was watching Ryan Serhant, who, if you don't know him, he was on, well, he is on $1 Million Listing. He is one of America's best real estate agents. You might be like, why the heck are you watching a real estate agent? He is very motivating to me. He moved to New York City with nothing, no plan, no money, and just kind of had his back up against a wall and had to make it work, and now he's incredibly successful. He has a lot of great insight. So I like to start my day listening to someone like that because it puts me in a good mindset. That's a good technique if you need, you know, something to kind of get you motivated and get you in a good head space. I would recommend listening or watching something that you find motivating. He's like one of my biggest inspirations right now. Love him. I feel like I'm talking so much. I have to say such a big thank you to you guys for 100,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh, that is so crazy to me, because here's why. Growing up, when I was young, TV wasn't really a thing for my family. YouTube was like my thing. I would come home from school and watch all my favorite YouTubers, my favorite vloggers, Llewellyn, Alfie, Louise. I watched everyone. I watched all the OGs, Shane Dawson. These were like my heroes. I never ever thought I would also have a YouTube channel first of all. Second of all, I never thought that anyone would want to watch me. Thank you for helping me reach such a milestone. I am gonna put my first ever YouTube giveaway at the end of this video to celebrate 100K. I'm gonna give away some Bloom products, some Mari Fitness products. Very exciting. So make sure you watch to the end. I'm gonna make my breakfast and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
So pretty much what goes into our sale normally is we will send out an email blast, which is super new for us. We have our graphic designer Seamus and creative director Seamus send out a big email blast to everyone who's ever gotten anything from Mari Fitness, so you know it's their opportunity to get a band on sale if they don't have one yet, or if they need another one. What else do we do on a sale day?
We do an email blast, which usually Seamus and I will work on. Then we usually put up some kind of fun video in my story, which is created by one of our graphic designers named James. Then we put up content on our guide page to showcase some of the really cool weight loss stories we have going on in the community. And then we also post in the Facebook group. So we have a lot of different areas to work on, and you know, even with that content, there's more behind the scenes on the website that goes into it. Usually when other people have days off, we have days on, because people are at home, they're on their phone. Yeah. So that means that we're working.
You know it's way too late, regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize, we went too far this time.
Obviously, we're kind of understanding more and more each month the impact that these companies have and the large following that we're growing, and we're trying to take some more initiative of, you know, whether it's just spreading positive influence, positive vibes, but also kind of trying to make an impact of things that we feel like our entire customer base and ourselves care about. So, a little hint.
A bathing suit? That's what I would assume you mean.
What? No! Yeah, but they don't know like what it comes with, they don't know what's cool about it, you can't see what's written on it.
So it is currently 10:50, so before the sale at 12, I'm gonna quickly run out and grab some office supplies for the new office. If you didn't know, we have rented an office space for Bloom, which is so exciting. It's gonna be a great place to have meetings, and it's actually in a co-op working space. So we have a 3-person office inside a larger co-op space, so we'll get to meet other entrepreneurs and just get to hang out with more people, because our job can be a little bit isolating sometimes. We spend a lot of the time in the house, just us two. We do spend a lot of time on the phone with our employees, but they're all spread out around the US, so we don't really see them in person that often. I need to get some office supplies, and I'm taking you with me. See you soon. Okay guys, we are approaching Staples. Look at that view. Okay, got you guys balanced on the wheel right now. We got legal pads, big calculator for Greg, highlighters and pens, and Post-its. I have to kind of rush back pretty soon, but we happen to be right by Trader Joe's, and one thing I really want to include in this video is the cauliflower gnocchi recipe from Trader Joe's, because we eat it a lot. Greg is the one that makes it, and he makes it really good. He gets the consistency just right. So I want him to show you guys his recipe. So I'm gonna pick up some bags of cauliflower gnocchi on the way home. Okay, we are gonna head in and grab our cauliflower gnocchi. Got our gnocchi.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Didn't you see that I came home? Hello, Lulu.
Thank you. I just made a quick lunch for myself. I made zucchini noodles with pre-cooked chicken with some pasta sauce and then a little bit of feta cheese. So I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna have a sale, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I've just come into my office / guest room for a second, just to chat with you a little bit about what it's like being an entrepreneur when you're young and when it's still pretty new. To be honest, lately I've been kind of mentally struggling with this shift in my life. When I first started my page, all I really did was fitness, you know, like I didn't have such a big business at the time. So all I did was track my food, go to the gym. My whole life was fitness. So it was really easy for me to create the content that you guys wanted to see. But now, if I'm being honest, most of my day is just like working and on phone calls and being stressed, crying sometimes. And I'm struggling with the transition into, you know, obviously still showing you guys healthy meals and tips and tricks for the gym, but you know, like just being busier, just being so busy and trying to cram everything in and feeling like they're not gonna like this content, it's boring, like this new life is boring for people to watch, it's not as glamorous, I guess. Yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. I don't know, I'm working on getting better at it. Like for example, right now I'm trying to tell you guys more about what I'm up to right now, but just something in me feels like people are gonna be upset because I'm not showing just like constant fitness anymore. Fitness is always going to be such a big part of my life. I'm just getting used to balancing it with the two businesses and, you know, everything I want to achieve. So, and now we get back to work. Okay. So guys, we decided to head out for some lunch when Greg remembered that there's a little festival going on Pearl Street. Pearl Street's kind of like the happening street in Boulder. It's like where all the restaurants are and where everyone hangs out. We figured why not go? I can show you guys a little bit more of the Boulder life and have some fun. We're gonna have fun.
We're gonna have fun. Get a quick
We're gonna go have fun. So yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys. I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. Don't forget, I'm gonna add a giveaway on the end. So keep watching. I think I'm gonna give away 2 Bloom products and 2 Mari fitness guides of your choice. What do you think of my prizes?
I'd enter.
You'd enter?
I'm gonna enter for that.
You can't, that's against the rules. Talk to you soon.
A puppy! Look at it squidgy.
Something huge is happening tonight. Chef Greg's back in action. I am not personally back on a diet. I'm trying to get some muscles back in my life. But that being said, I still cook dinner this way because it makes the family happy. I'm making the highly requested cauliflower gnocchi. The entire dish is only 30 grams of carbs, but you have a big bowl of gnocchi. What is your protein source? It's seafood. But Greg, seafood's expensive. This whole bag is $12 and it's for 2 people. Let's say you were a guy, or let's say you were anyone, and you had a date coming over, and you were like, yeah babe, I'm making some langostino tails. Lights out. They're wild caught seafood. Excuse me. Can you see this? Anyway, in this whole bag, there is 2 grams of fat in this whole bag, 62 grams of protein. So this whole bag is gonna be the protein source for both of us. I would compare this to eating a mixture, like taste-wise, texture-wise, a mixture between shrimp and lobster. Somebody in this house, and I only live with one other person, once tried to make this dish and defrosted these before we cooked them. No. They get into the pan frozen. We're gonna do our langostinos. Now our langostinos, we are going to frost. I don't have time to put my food in the fridge the night before, so I just put the whole bag, I'll just show you really quick. I just put the whole bag in the sink in a warm bowl of water, and then I change out the water like 3 times across 30 minutes, and now I have defrosted langostino tails, okay? I would say this is the perfect dinner for any male or female losing weight or trying to put on muscle. Whatever your goal is, you can easily fit this in. 2 bags of these, so essentially 1 bag each. 1 bag of the langostinos, which I defrosted. The gnocchis are still frozen. I have some minced garlic. We keep minced garlic in the fridge because we're not weirdos. We don't have time to mince our garlic. Feta cheese, Mara likes this on top of hers. A quality marinara sauce. I'm going to cook this dish, or at least the langostinos, with avocado oil. That is because this whole dish I'm going to be cooking on a very high heat, and avocado oil can sustain and stay a healthy fat under high heat. Light layer, whatever your stove is, cook on high. Spread it out, set it and forget it. Mari shows me your DMs. You're all cooking this gnocchi all wrong. I watched Mari try to make it and she makes it all wrong. I'm sorry. We're just gonna throw some water in this pan. I would say a half cup. I don't measure around here because I'm a real chef. All right, 1 bag of gnocchi. There's no oil in this pan, no seasoning in this pan. Now, what I'm going to do is cover all of these gnocchi. Unfortunately, I do not have a pan with a cover that fits, but I've been doing this every night and they come out great. There's definitely a little bit of wiggle room under there, but I had this on almost completely high heat. Just set it and forget it. Now it's time to strain this water out of these langostinos. What I'm now going to do is take this marinara and pour it on top of the langostinos. Marinara is one of our favorite condiments around here. I just find it way more natural than a lot of the other stuff. And it's relatively low calories. You're essentially just adding tomatoes to your dish if you're using a quality tomato sauce. While this is simmering, if there's any dish that's your favorite dish to have for dinner, you know, comfort food while you were growing up, your favorite dish that you used to get in college, your favorite lunch spot during high school, that you're like, damn, that's what I crave when I'm on a diet, comment below what you would like me to make next, and I'll try to make a healthy variation of anything. All right, all the water has evaporated. I'm gonna shake it up. Now is where we're gonna add some fat. So, Mara and I aren't really watching what we eat right now. Craig, we can see that based on how you look. Don't ever say that to me. We're gonna add some ghee. So this is just a super healthy fat source that is a high heat cooking fat. It's clarified butter. So, you know, I'm gonna keep this on a high heat and just add about 2 tablespoons of this ghee, which is essentially a tablespoon each. I'm adding black pepper to the sauce. It's simmering real nice. I hope you can see it. Let me turn on this light. Wow, that just was a game changer. Lots of salt. We're not afraid of salt over here. So all I'm doing now is trying to get this gnocchi to get like crispy brown. Look at my 2 dates. You would never believe what I deal with over here. This is Mari, and then over here is Lulu, my 2 dates. This is what the girl's gonna do when you're making seafood pasta. That was horrible. We have our seafood pasta ready to go. It's looking ridiculously beautiful. We have our cauliflower gnocchi ready to go. I'm gonna toss this up. Oh shit. Weird, I honestly walked away a little too long, but this is gonna be fire, don't worry. Like, this was 30 seconds too long. All right, let's dish it. Half and half each bowl. This is pretty much when you want to take that gnocchi off the pan. Like, maybe this is like 30 seconds too long, but that, hear that crisp? Hear that? Just 50-50. Let's do it. Again, each person here is getting like 30 carbs, 30-ish grams of protein. Bada bang, bada boom. Mari, will you try and let me know how it is? It's gonna be like scalding hot. Scalding hot over here. Oh my God, it's so hot.
I really got
Done. Thanks for having me.
Thanks, Chef Greg.
One love, peace.
So I promised you guys a giveaway for my 100K subscribers, so here it is. Comment below what you would use your Bloom subs for. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell to enter, and you will win 2 free Bloom subs and 2 free Mari Fitness guides of your choice. Go. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Say bye, Greg.